Welcome to our countertops page, and when I say countertops, I don't stop there. Whether you have a countertop, tabletop, desktop, a hearth, a specialty project, our countertop epoxy is heat resistant, scratch resistant. It's zero VOC, it's second to none. It's easy to use, there's no noxious fumes. It's designed for the do-it-yourselfer and tough for the contractor. We have a few categories of pre-built kits. White and black concepts are there, earth tones, ocean blues, and exotic stone. If you click those buttons, you're going to see the different options that are simply all put in a box for you, so you don't have to guess on your additives and the resin for your project. Maybe you want to design your own project? That's just below. Go ahead and build a kit from scratch, add your tools, and get that project started.